Hi everyone, this is Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and welcome to another fun unboxing video. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. In this video, I'm super excited to unpack with you the Nautical Reverie beads collection, which is our July 2025 collection. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are our exclusive palettes of beads that we assemble based on an inspiration photo, which we launch every first Thursday of the month. And recently we started launching new light collections, which are smaller versions of our collections, around the middle of the month on a Monday. And the great thing about Eureka collections is that they're not a subscription, just get whichever one you like. Be quick though, we only make them in limited amounts and they usually sell out very quickly. Alright, so here it is, all in one big pile. Let me tidy it all up and talk about each product individually. Alright, so here is the collection. I love the look of it. Let's start with the inspiration photo maybe. So we have this lovely flat lay view of some nautical items, I would say, in a nautical palette. There's some beachy sandy beige here. There's of course a lot of white, a lot of navy blue, and a pop of red. I really like this palette and I really like this inspiration photo because, it's not reinventing the wheel. This palette is not new, but I get the feeling that this photo and the collection that we assembled based on it is really elevating the red, white, and blue plus some beige palette. So let's see what we have inside. And one way to do this is to look at the list before you unfold it. Here's an inspirational paragraph that is kind of getting you into the mood and into the vibe that inspired us to create this collection. And inside here, you get a long list of all the products that are inside, and you get the SKU numbers as well so that you can enter these numbers into the search bar at EurekaCrystalBeads.com and you can get more of all of the items that you liked in this collection. First up, let's talk about seed beads, and you get 6 tubes of seed beads, 3 of Tohos and 3 of Miyukis, and they are quite an unusual combination when it comes to our collections because as per the usual, you get an 11-0, you get a 15-0, and here this is this beautiful pop of red, and then you get cylindrical bead, and in this case, it's not one, but 2 tubes of cylindrical beads. These are Toho treasures, and you get them in 2 colors. And for me, this means peyote stitch or brick stitch, and I have some fun ideas to try out. So stay tuned for the tutorials with these Toho treasure beads. And for Miyukis, in addition to the 15-0s, you get a mix of rounds. We introduced this with our Wild West Wonders collection. So we included a mix of the same kind of bead, the round bead, but in 3 sizes, 3 most popular sizes. So you have a 15-0, you have an 11-0, and you have an 8-0 in the same color, which gives you so many possibilities. It's perfect for bezeling, and it's just great to have this mix in all in one tube. So I think it's a great idea as a beader. I find this very useful. And then you get a full tube of Miyuki 3mm bugles in this lovely pure white. So these are the 6 tubes of seed beads that we have. And one more thing that's in a tube are these ginkgo beads. And they are in this lovely, beautiful metallic suede dark blue color. I really love it. It's not quite iridescent, but it's almost iridescent, I would say. It's a beautiful color, and I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful in anything that you make with it. Now, the Czech beads department in this collection is really versatile because in addition to the gem duos, you get one more kind of 2-hole beads, and that's these Moby duos. It's a really interesting shape that we already had in our previous collections, and you can really make beautiful things with it. And this kind of blue that we included here is more like petrol kind of blue. It's going towards teal, And I think it's going to work perfectly, for example, with these Toho treasures. And then you get those O beads in this very soft, warm gray. And I really love these. They can serve as a spacer bead or just a contrastive accent in your beadwork. Then you get 2 more strands of Czech beads, and you probably can't tell in the video, but they are really, really tiny. So you get a strand of 3mm fire polish beads in the same color as those gem duos here. So, they're gonna work perfectly together. And then you get a long strand of 2mm round beads in silver. So that's our Czech beads. And the next category on our list are crystals. And first of all, you get a combination of some Krakowski crystal stones. And this set includes this absolutely huge 18 by 25 millimeters opal white drop. It's really, really huge. It's going to be so perfect for a pendant or in a necklace or as the focal point of a bracelet. It's beautiful and it's really, really large. Then you get two 12mm Rivolis and 6 8mm chaton stones. All of those round stones are in beautiful cyan color, really deep, really pretty. It's going to absolutely pop. And I think it's a good idea that we have those 15os in red because they're not going to pull any attention away from the stone if you bezel them with the peyote stitch. So the 15os are going to be kind of the closest to the stone and they're not gonna steal the thunder from those stones in this way because they're also red. So these are our stones. Now, a really interesting part of this collection are these Preziosa Montes, which are these small flatback stones in settings. Let me get them out. So these are the Preziosa crystals in special sew-on settings. As you can see, you have the 2 crisscrossing channels that you can put your thread through. They're very easy to use. They're basically 2 whole beads and the holes kind of crisscross in the bottom. And in this case, for this collection, we chose this denim blue color that is very subtle. And I think they're going to look great both with this kind of blue with the Moby Duos and with this deeper navy blue of these gem duos. And you get 24 of those. Next up, we have a pack of 72 Krakowski crystal bicone beads in this beautiful shimmery coated denim blue color. So again, those Montes, perfect. This sort of blue, perfect. This sort of blue, also perfect. In Krakowski Crystal is our more affordable brand, but these are such good quality. Beautiful. Next up, also from Krakowski, a full, quite long strand of 4mm pearls in beautiful blue color. I think this works better with this deeper blue, but I love that it's a little bit lighter, so it's not going to all blend together. It's a really beautiful satin color, and you get 100 of those pearls on a strand. Then the final product in the crystal section is a strand of 3x2mm Chinese faceted rondelle beads. It's a staple, very useful, and the white is going to look beautiful with everything in this collection. Now, a product that is not quite in any of the categories are these 3 ceramic glazed shell beads. They are quite heavy because they're made of ceramic. They have quite a large hole, and you get 3 of these, and they're so beautiful. The enamel or the glaze on them is absolutely lovely with the shading, and each one is slightly different. They look so, so pretty. And it's perfect for a pair of earrings plus a pendant, so you can make a set. All right, now time for the findings, and we do have several interesting products in here. Let me just get them out of their bags. And here they are. They're all in shiny or slightly antique silver. You know this clasp already. It's from our Eureka exclusive Gleam Craft Findings brand. It's very high quality. And it's a magnetic clasp with some additional safety pegs in here. So whoop, they just have to snap back together, and it's definitely not going apart. So it's perfect for bracelets, for easy closure, and for necklaces as well. And I love this natural muscle shape. You also have a very nice and quite large seashell shaped frame, and I'm kind of feeling some wonderful brick stitch around it with those Toho treasures. For charms, you get these two tiny, also Gleamcraft Findings starfish charms, really charming, and since they're also Gleamcraft, they're exceptional quality. Finally, you get a pair of lever back ear wires, very useful, very classy, will work with everything. Plus a little baggie of small high gauge jump rings, so you can use them to hang your charms so that they're more dangly if you incorporate them in your beadwork. And you're definitely going to need them to attach your clasp to your beadwork as well. And that is our collection for July 2025, the Nautical Reverie collection. I don't know about you, but I love this elevated twist on a red, white, and blue palette, especially for July. I really love those kind of beige, sandy accents in here. I love the pops of red, the pure and opal whites, and the different shades of blue and navy blue that we have here. I already suspect there are some wonderful projects to be designed with this collection. Let me know in the comments if you like the palette and if you like the nautical theme. The collection, as well as all of the products that I showed you here today, are available from eurekacrystalbeads.com. The links will be down in the description. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!